Hello and welcome to Little Tree English, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 13, using long vowels. Our sounds today are ape, A's, eight, ave. Ape, ape, cape, cape. Ape, ape, tape, tape. Cape, tape. A's, A's, case, case. A's, A's, bays, bays. Case, vase. Eight, eight, gate, gate. Eight, eight, late, late. Gate, late. Ave, ave, cave, cave. Ave, ave, wave, wave. Cave, wave. Look, read and check the sentence. The boy is wearing a cave. The boy is wearing a cape. Which sentence is correct? The boy is wearing a cape. The girl is running late. Or the girl is running mate. The girl is running late. The girl is using tape. Or the girl is using vase. The girl is using tape. A man opens the gate. Or a man opens the gate. A man opens the gate. There are flowers in the vase. There are flowers in the wave. There are flowers in the vase. bear sleeps in a cape. The bear sleeps in a cave. The bear sleeps in a cave. I see a big wave on the sea. I see a big wave on the sea. I see a big wave on the sea. Let's review the phonics sounds. Ape, ape, cape. Ape, ape, tape. Cape, tape. A's, A's, case. A's, A's, bays. Case, vase. 8, 8, gate. 8, 8, late. Gate, late. Ave, ave, cave. Ave, ave, wave. Cave, wave. We're at the end of our phonics lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.